Hi, thanks for joining today. We are going to be scaling one of our hearts right here. These are both the same size, so you'll see the difference and actually see how it's being scaled looking at the other one here. So the very first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to actually select Scale command, the scale icon right here. Now we're going to select all of our lines, our line segments, arcs, anything that we have that's we want to actually scale. Then we're going to right click our mouse. We're going to select the base point that we're going to be scaling from. Where is it? It's scaling from. Just the center we could select, or maybe down at this point here. I'm going to select that. So now if we drag our cursor up, we could see our heart is being scaled. It's growing and growing, or shrinking and shrinking. Now we have some scaled heart. Thanks for joining.